Let's say you guys are just looking for a small cabin to call your home. This is the one we call the Poco Loco. This is a 12-foot by 40-foot Amish built cabin. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Fully turnkey, move-in ready. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Give us a call today if you're interested. The pricing is on the website. It comes in many different sizes. This one is set up as a 1-bed, 1-bath. Again, 12-foot by 40-foot. What I love about it is even though it's a small cabin, you have your regulation size appliances. Okay, that's a full-size fridge, guys. That's a full-size Frigidaire fridge. Okay, that is a full-size stove, microwave. That's a full-size love seat. Again, even though it's small, it's mighty. It's very livable. One of the things I love is the dark contrast on the flooring and the light knotty pine wood. And then you got this beautiful gray tin roof with the drop lights. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Again, just a nice, very well set up cabin. Go down the hallway. You got your tub, toilet, and sink in your bathroom. Sorry, it's a little dark. I don't have the electric turned on it, but it does have, of course, electric running through it. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? If you're just looking, like I said, you're just looking for a small cabin for your land, okay? This is the Poco Loco. This is all you need. This is all you need. The walls, fully insulated behind the tongue and groove pine, okay? You got a spot here for your stackable washer and dryer. Put your washer on the bottom, dryer on top, and then a very generous sized bedroom. Excuse the mess, we're just setting this model up here. That's a full-size bed. There's your second mini split for heating and cooling. There's your electrical panel there. And again, 2 huge windows, one on the front, and then the one above the bed on the back. Absolutely beautiful. Here you got your closet where your water heater's is at. Got your water heater / closet in there. Again, if you're interested, guys, give us a call. Let's get you a beautiful cabin on your land. Again, this is everything you need, nothing you don't. Okay, this is the Poco Loco cabin is what I call this one. Going on back, you got your spot there for your stackable washer and dryer. Full bathroom. And this is the money shot here where we got your full-blown open concept kitchenette, stove, refrigerator, microwave. I love this little nook here, little dining room table for 2. That's built in, super cool, right? Your breakfast, lunch, and dinner there with your significant other. Again, the perfect cabin for 1 or 2 people, or maybe you're a young family, just got 1 baby. They don't need their own room yet. Voila, this is the one. Or we can make another office on this side and make the living room smaller, or another bedroom, make it a 2-bed, 1-bath. That's an option as well. So guys, give us a call today, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. If you are interested in purchasing this cabin we call the Poco Loco, again, give us a call and let's make it happen. 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. And again, this is the one on the website under the tiny cabin section called the Poco Loco. Okay, it does come with a 6-foot by 6-foot porch, or you can upgrade and do a full-blown 6-foot by 40-foot porch. The dimensions on it again is 12-foot by 40, but we can go longer if you want, and we can go bigger. Call us today, 812-595-4033, 812-595-4033. Have a blessed day, guys. All right, guys, check this one out. This is the one we call the Poco Loco. Just want to make a quick video of it real fast. It does come with a 6-foot by 6-foot front porch, but I'm going to film this real fast for you here and show you what it's all about. This is a 12-foot by 40-foot, and let's take you inside and show you what this one looks like. Okay, this is again a 12-foot by 40-foot, 1-bed, 1-bath. Just a beautiful cabin. They just brought it here, so I wanted to film it real quick. I know they don't have it fully set up yet. You can see they're getting ready to set it up as a model. So you got your mini split over there, window over there, window there. And again, nice open concept. You got a little built-in table here, table for two, and window here. This is your living room area. You got your kitchen with your regulation size appliances, regulation size stove, microwave, big old refrigerator. You got your sink, handcrafted Amish built cabinets. Again, that's just an extra piece of furniture. One thing I really like is, listen to this. You got that steel roof with the knotty pine walls. Super cool, right? Going down the hallway, it's kind of dark, so you have to excuse us. We don't have it fully set up yet. You got a full bathroom with a tub. There's your commode. There's your sink, your lights. Again, this is the view right when you walk in. Again, the dimensions on this is 12 foot by 40 foot. Okay, going down the hallway, you got a spot here, of course, for your regulation size stackable washer and dryer. Put the washer on the bottom, the dryer on top. And then last but not least, you can see they're setting it up now. They got a full-size bed. Over here, you got your windows. Very cool, right? All kinds of natural light coming in. There's your electrical panel. Behind this door here is your water heater. Okay. And everything you need, nothing you don't. You know what I'm saying? Everything you need, nothing you don't. Again, you got another mini split here for your heating and cooling. So if you are looking for a beautiful small home built by the Amish, you got your easy clean vinyl windows here, double pane. This El Poco Loco is awesome. It's going to be under the tiny cabin section on our website. It's offered in many different sizes. Again, this one is a 1 bed, 1 bath, 12 foot by 40 foot cabin. Okay, notice the little intricate details. You got that little rope going across the top of it. And again, this is where your bathroom's at. We don't have this connected to the electric here on the land yet, but it does have full electric already running through it. And again, I just love it. It's perfect, perfect size cabin. And again, one of the things I love about this cabin is just because you're going smaller, going tiny, whatever you want to call it, doesn't mean you need to sacrifice and go smaller with your appliances. As you can see, this is a regulation size monster Frigidaire, brand new refrigerator. That's a monster stove here. And then a Samsung regulation size microwave. Okay, so again, just because you're going tiny, don't mean that you need to give up on the size of your appliances. That's like a good size love seat there. You could put another one over there. And I love this little idea here, this nook for two, where it's built in and put a chair on each side. And there you go. You got your little dinner table. Have your little breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So if you're just looking for a small cabin, look no further than the Poco Loco. We do ship this one nationwide. And again, this is a 12 foot by 40 foot. It does come as a 2-bedroom, 1 bath in the 12 by 40 as well. And you'll see all the updated pricing right on the website. Okay. So let me walk through it again one time. I like to take my time with it, guys. Make sure you guys see all these intricate details. Look at them knotty pine, tongue and groove. Again, one of the things I've not seen done till this one is that tin roof. Look at that. Because, you know, you got a 26 gauge metal roof on top, but he doesn't really do a lot of these where you got the metal on the inside like this. And I really like that. I think it adds something to it. You know what I'm saying? Pretty cool. So you got the dark floors, the light walls, and then the tin roof. I think that really pops. That really does pop. So guys, hit the like, hit the share, hit the follow if y'all like what you see. If you're a Gen Xer or a baby boomer, show me some love. Comment below what year you was born and comment Gen X or boomer below, so I know I got my peoples watching me. That's around my age age range, not just the young bucks. I need Need folks around my age range watching my content. So where are my peoples at? Watching the old 1979 cabin cowboy over here. So I'll take y'all outside here in a second. One more last walkthrough again. Just kind of showing you the bedroom. Again, you see all that natural light coming in it. Go down the hallway. And again, one of the things I love when you go smaller, when you go to a smaller home, again, you want the dark floors. So you got a good contrast when you do your light walls and your light ceiling. And you want lots of windows, good sized windows. So it allows all kinds of natural light to come in to make the place feel a lot larger than what it is. See, this feels spacious. It feels very livable, very comfortable. I can see, I'm a big guy. I'm 6'6", guys, 240. And I can see myself living here long term, no problem. No problem, very comfortably, very comfortably. I can stay in here indefinitely, very comfortably, okay? And I'm a big fella. So let me take you a shot real quick, show you the outside of it. Show you the outside of it one more time so you see what it looks like. Again, remember, it does come with a 6 foot by 6 foot porch, or you can upgrade and do a 6 foot by 40 foot porch on the front. And again, beautiful day out here in Kentucky. Just wanting to show you this one we call the Poco Loco. Show it to you from this side here. You got the D-log siding on it. Again, just a beautiful cabin. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Give us a call today at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. If you're interested in purchasing a cabin, and we can make it happen. Okay? With that said, guys, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Again, my phone number is 812-595-4033. 812-595-4033. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Come out and see us. AmishBuiltCabins.com. Y'all be blessed now. Take care and come back anytime.